Unbelievable.
Issued at 6:49 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for Northwestern Oreille County in Northeastern Washington, Northeastern Stevens County in Northeastern Washington, until 9:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.25 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.25 to 0.75 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Colville, Ione, Madeline Falls, Madeline, Little Pond Oreille Lake Campground, Tiger, Lost Creek, Noisy Creek Campground, Ruby, Sullivan Lake Campground, Arden and Orin. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington: Pend Oreille and Stevens.
I could see a person in the water.